Hello friends, how are you? Myself Bhargava Purohit. Thank you so much for encouraging me. Let's start. Today's topic is believe in yourself, which we will understand through a story. He was born in small farming village in Japan. His family was poor. They all lived in small house with very little money. When he was only 9 years old, he left school and started working in small shop to support his family. He used to get up every day before sunrise, clean the store, run errands, and then look after the children of his employers. Some years later, destiny showed him a new path. He got job in an electricity company. There he got interested in light bulbs and sockets. Every night he started learning and experimenting on his own. One day he made an improved version of light bulb socket all by himself. He was very excited and showed it to his boss. But his boss not excited and said such a product will never work. Even though he was rejected, he believed in his idea. He wanted to do something on his own, start his own company. He asked his friends. They told him he cannot do it. He cannot leave his permanent job and start his own business. He has no experience with very little money and hardly education. Still he believed in himself. So when he turned 22, he took a big decision. He left his stable job and started his own small manufacturing company. He and his wife manufacturing sockets in that small house. They both went door to door selling it, but no shop owner was interested. They didn't got any orders. Months passed by and they were not able to sell their products. He sold his furniture, borrowed money to survive a little longer. Many days he thought, I will give up and go back to my job. But in the morning, as sun rose, he was out on the street looking for orders to survive one more day. That came a day when he almost bankrupt and just when he was closest to giving up his dream. That came a miracle happened in his life. Out of nowhere, he got his first major order of 1,000 pieces. 100 years after that, first major order of 1,000 pieces. His company now has over 250,000 employees with annual sales $65 billion. His company's products are now sold across the world. All this was made by possible a man with no education, no money. He was only a belief in himself. His name is Konosuke Matsushita. The company he had started in small house is known across the world as Panasonic. Success is not dependent on how educated you are or how much money you have. Success is about believing in yourself. So you are also in pursuit of success, just believe in yourself. Survive when other people give up. And just wait for that one day that will change your life forever. Thanks for watching.